Hi there, and welcome to another English lesson with Speako. In this lesson, we are going to mainly focus on English pronunciation to help you sound like a native English speaker. Today, we will cover some commonly mispronounced English words. So without further ado, let's do this. Try to imitate and repeat after me. Albeit. Albeit. The weather was sunny, albeit the wind was cold. Almond. Almond. I like to spread almond butter on my toast. Architecture. Architecture. Europe has beautiful architecture. Awry. Awry. The cake is a bit awry. Caveat. Caveat. Their lawyer added a couple of caveats to the agreement. Choir. Choir. I used to sing in a choir. Comfortable. Comfortable. This sofa is so comfortable. Draft. Draft. Would you like some draft beer? Elite. Elite. He was awarded a scholarship to attend an elite boarding school abroad. Encyclopedia. Encyclopedia. You can learn about everything in an encyclopedia. Enthusiastic. Enthusiastic. He seems to be very enthusiastic. Entrepreneur. Entrepreneur. My brother would like to become an entrepreneur. Forward. Forward. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Gauge. Gauge. What does the gauge show? Genuine. Genuine. Can you give me a genuine opinion? Gynecologist. Gynecologist. I was referred to a gynecologist. Height. Height. What is your height? Island. Island. The Canary Islands are so beautiful. Jewelry. Jewelry. My husband bought me some jewelry last Christmas. Lettuce. Lettuce. Would you like some lettuce with your wrap? Lieutenant. Lieutenant. His brother is a lieutenant in the army. Paradigm. Paradigm. He is the paradigm of a successful man. Penguin. Penguin. Penguins live in Antarctica. Psychologist. Psychologist. I started to see a psychologist after the divorce. Queue. Queue. There is a long queue to the shop. Recipe. Recipe. Can you give me the recipe for your lovely bread? Restaurant. Restaurant. Tonight, we are going to a local restaurant for dinner. Rural. Rural. We grew up in a rural area. Salmon. Salmon. Salmon is a very oily fish, full of healthy fats. Sixth. Sixth. My son is in 6th grade. Squirrel. Squirrel. There are 2 types of squirrel species in the UK, red and grey. Stomach. Stomach. I have had an upset stomach since last night. Subtle. Subtle. She likes to cook food with a subtle taste of Indian cuisine. Suffice. Suffice. Our food supply should suffice till the end of this week. Teeth. Teeth. You have got nice white teeth. Literally. Literally. We have moved literally right next door. Throughout. Throughout. My baby girl slept throughout the night. Variety. Variety. The ice cream shop sells a wide variety of flavors. Vegetables. Vegetables. I prefer cooked vegetables. Worcestershire. Worcestershire. Worcester sauce originates from Worcester in Worcestershire. Great job! Let's go over those individual words again to practice the pronunciation. Albeit. Almond. Architecture. Awry. Caveat. Choir. Comfortable. Draft. Elite. Encyclopedia. Enthusiastic. Entrepreneur. Forward. Gauge. Genuine. Gynecologist. Height. Island. Jewellery. Lettuce. Lieutenant. Paradigm. Penguin. Psychologist. Cue. Recipe. Restaurant. Rural. Salmon. 6th. Squirrel. Stomach. Subtle. Suffice. Teeth. Literally. Throughout. Variety. Vegetable. Worcestershire. Nice job! To make sure that you will be able to pronounce today's words confidently, go over this lesson again tomorrow, and maybe in a week's time again. I am sure that you will not only memorize it well, but you might also start to sound like a real native English speaker. And that's the end of today's lesson. Congratulations! Feel free to download today's lesson in the description below. If you have any suggestions for future spoken English lessons, don't be shy and let us know in the comments. We're here for you. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook to learn English every day. Hey, and check out our other lessons. Thank you for joining today's class, and see you next time.